Hey guys, it's Randy Hatada from Xpand Realty reaching out to you from Las Vegas again. It's still the same question. What's going on in Las Vegas? What's going on with the housing market? And with that, it's not as exciting as it's been the last couple months, but here we go. So we've been kind of at a stable market, some call it a flat market, for about, I'd say, a little over a year, ever since interest rates rose. Then in April, we had appreciation of about $5,000 from our average price point of $425,000. It increased to $430,000. Then in May, it went up a big jump, about $12,500. And then June hit, and we kind of leveled off again. And so we're in a pretty healthy market, a pretty balanced market. I've seen articles call it a game of chicken, where it's kind of like who's going to move. Is it the seller or the buyer, as far as negotiations and offers and all that going on. The good news is that houses are still closing, properties are still closing. We closed about 2,300 transactions in the month of June, and as far as inventory is concerned, we are still at an all-time low since tied with 1999. We're at about 1.6 month supply of inventory, and on a regular healthy market that favors the sellers, a healthy market would be about a 3-month supply. Again, we're at a very, very low supply at 1.6. But the thing that's offsetting it and combating low inventory is high interest rates. So, that is why our market is kind of like leveled off right now. And to me, if financially and our economic market follows what our financial analysts are predicting, then interest rates will eventually drop. They didn't drop according to the prior opinion or prior hypothesis by our financial analysts, simply because our government decided they had to pay off their debt, and they issued bonds giving them short-term loans to pay off this debt. When they're the normal buyer for bonds, they became the seller, and with this change, it kind of held interest rates high. Anyways, that's my basic understanding of what has happened. But eventually these bonds will get bought, and eventually interest rates should dip. Now, when that happens, I know the buyers are all here because of the growth of Las Vegas, and a lot of them are just waiting on the sideline, waiting for interest rates to dip. But by the time that happens, what will happen is that all the buyers that are waiting will jump into the market overnight, and we'll go back to the crazy market we had most likely during the COVID years, where people would outbid each other, and there would be frenzies of offers and bidding wars and whatnot, creating major appreciation. And I believe supply will still continue to be low. So with high demand and low supply, I believe our market will start increasing again. And yes, Vegas may become an unaffordable state if it keeps that trend, which it probably will because of the growth, with not only population, but major projects underway, such as the Oakland Athletics coming to Las Vegas, taking the place of the Tropicana Hotel, F1 coming to the Las Vegas Strip, Formula One, and about $20-some billion worth of projects still happening here in Las Vegas, including the train from Los Angeles to southern Las Vegas. So all of these things are happening. We predict the growth of our population to continue to climb. And I also believe that because we're in somewhat of a recession, as things get tougher on our bordering states, California, or maybe even across the ocean from Hawaii, where I'm from, I think a lot of people will be coming to Las Vegas for job opportunity created by these major projects I just spoke about. There's also other casinos opening. There's the Fontaine Blue that's going to open up shortly. There's Durango Station right across the street from our office going to open up shortly, and many, many other opportunities for new jobs. So I do believe that the population will grow. I believe the job opportunities will grow, and thus Vegas will continue price-wise to climb in the near future. Happy hunting, happy selling. Enjoy Las Vegas, and be careful of the hot weather, because I heard we're gonna hit the extreme 100 temperatures coming up this weekend. So stay cool. Hopefully get wet in a pool or something, and take care. Have a great day. Have a great weekend.